In this modern day and age, with gun violence an ever-present concern in so many corners of the world, it is wild to think that shooting each other would be an Olympic sport, but somehow that was the case at the 1908 Olympics in London. There were actually two events for this, not just one. There was a 20-meter and a 30-meter pistol duel event. I don't know why, but there were. And before you freak out, they used wax bullets and also wore substantial protection to cover their torsos, faces, and hands. So there was some degree of safety.